Hello, in front of me I have Amazfit Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by tapping on the touch sensitive button right here at the bottom of the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe up or down on the screen to scroll through the menu like this. Scroll through the menu until you find the More option and tap on it. Here, scroll down, find the Settings option and tap on it. In Settings, you should see the brightness. Tap on it to select it, and here we can adjust the screen brightness by tapping on the plus and minus buttons like that. And once you're done, you can press the touch sensitive button to go back, or you can swipe right on the screen to go back. I'm gonna set it to something higher like this, and then tap on the button to go back to watch face like that. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.